All right, we are now reading text 1 in Module 9, and this is called Speaking for Myself, My Experience with the Cochlear Implant by Caitlin Parton. And this is a speech she gave the FDA on May 21st, 1997. Good morning, my name is Caitlin Parton. I've had my cochlear implant for 9 years and I love it. It's helping me a lot. I think it's important to have the implant as a choice for people who are deaf. It brings you into the hearing world, the world of sound. I wear this miracle of modern science. I'm a little different, but I'm a lot like everyone else, too. I don't wear the implant when I sleep. In the morning, when I wake up, it's a shock to put it on. Whoa, all these sounds come in. Then my brain figures out what the different sounds are. The radio, dad cooking, traffic outdoors. Sounds are really important to me. They give me something exciting to experience every day. Some of the sounds I enjoy most are my parents' voices, my friends' voices, and me talking to everybody. I love music. I play the piano and the flute. I like talking on the phone. I can now use it without any special devices and get almost everything. I love the sound of thunder, the wind in the trees, the birds. I like being able to ask the store clerk where something is. I like hearing the specials at a restaurant and ordering for myself. I love reading to my little cousins. This technology is not perfect. I don't hear everything. Some situations are hard for me. I have to ask people to help or repeat things, but I think implants will keep getting better. New kinds of implants are being developed. They will help all of us. I don't wake up every day and say, "Oh, I'm deaf, poor me." I like being deaf. I feel special. I've read some of the articles against the implant. I know some people say that kids like me will grow up and not really belong to the deaf culture world. They think we won't belong to the hearing world either. They say implanted deaf kids don't fit in anywhere. Instead of separating ourselves into little groups, we need to learn to respect our differences. Deep down, we're all the same. I think we need to remember we have something in common. We're all part of one community. All right, pause here and complete the response questions.